Right, morning everybody. It's been out today. I'm going to pick up Jordan. Going to go down. I've got the Cube e-bike with me today. Should make it a bit easier. I've got to travel down to Trenton first, about 3 or 4 miles. Then we've got another 3/4 of an hour up to Hanchurch. Massive place. We've got to try Hanchurch. We're going to do a bit more exploring today. The only thing is, it's just started raining. Oh well, it's only water, it won't melt, but we'll see how it goes. So let's go. Jord. Hello. Arrived at Trenton. So,
was fast a bit wonky.
Hanchurch today, yeah?
Yeah.
Cool. A bit more exploring, and then we go from there. Okay, here we are in Hanchurch, Hanford Woods, whatever you want to call it, and we are at the roller coaster of doom. With Jordan. Okay, time to go elsewhere. Okay, so we're going to have a go at this. Launch. Up, up, up. Land. Who knows?
Got more speed than the last one.
Think so?
Yeah. You're just going to carry that momentum, aren't you?
Okay, let's do it. Let's see what happens, eh? Get it on video anyway. Okay, here we go again. Camera attached to helmet, down track, over bumps. Let's go. Okay, here we go, into the first. The first double, yo. Second double, yo. Third, lovely made it, and again. Oh, beautiful, oh yes. Nailing this run. Oh, we go. Lovely. Okay, here we go for the big one. Yes, made it. And the big one. Yes. Whew, that was better. Again. Just to make sure that first time wasn't a fluke. We're going to hit that big one again from halfway down this time. So here we go, onto the trail, picking up speed, lovely. Yeah, easy peasy. Yeah, that'll do for me, every time now. That was a bit steep. Back to the top with Jord. Okay, just waiting for Jord to come down. He's going to have a go at this double. That one, I think. Have a quick look at the Cube while we're waiting for him. Lovely bike. Cube e-bike. Top machine. Full of hope parts. Lovely jubbly. Okay, Jordan's on his way back to the top again. Take 2. He's going to do it this time. Just got to nail it, just do it! Come on, I think you can do it, man. He'll do this. He's getting pretty good at this now. Okay, anyway, here he comes. Here he comes. Steady, steady, you can do this, you can do this. Beautiful, and again, oh! Okay, take 3. He's now sussed that one. Now he's got sussed that one. And I think he'll do this one. You can do it, do anything. Oh. Okay, we're going down the trail again. This time Jord has the camera on his head. He's going to be following me. We'll go down the same track, see what we can go on. Train style. Ready? Go! Okay, we're off to the big drop area now. We're going to head off a different part of the woods. Me, Jord, bikes, train, go. Follow me. Go. Oh dear.
Very. Oh. I'm going to say that chicken run's more technical than the drop. Oh, slippery.
We're going up here, yeah?
Down.
And then right at the bottom.
I think so. Hey yo, your mud guards come.
Did it catch that?
Yeah, he caught that and I turned it off as I was climbing over.
Oh man.
That's the
Oh,
chain.
that's my fave.
It's your chain one.
Yeah, that saves me swinging on, that does. Oh man.
The state of me flipping neck.
I'll make another one now. That's an old folder top. No, folder. It's got one from Nick from it. Yeah, it's an old folder thing they just made. It's come off. Right. Okay. Bring it off. Put it in the bag. Okay, another section with me and Jord. Gonna head down bottom of here. A little bit of a jump at the front. See where it goes. It's a bit weird. I have a camera on front, but see. Let's go. Here we go. Under the rock. Oh, big jump. Oh, there we go. Another big jump. Oh, lovely. Oh, over the gap. Cleared. Yes, cleared. Okay, down the slippy bit now. Oh, loads of roots. Oh, big downhill. Oh, very muddy. Oh, very slippy. Oh, made it. Over the roots. Very muddy. Oh! Lovely. Here we go. Another rooty bit. Roots are so slippy today. Through the gap. Over the bit. Bit of a jump at the end. Done. Whew. Wow. That was interesting. Wow. So, virtually done here now. I think I'm going to start heading back up to the top. How muddy was that?
I know.
Every corner, every route.
My brakes when I was just sliding.
Every route, every slip, every corner had a little root on it with loads of mud. Front end, back end washing. I'm glad I got through that in one bit. I didn't think I was going to make it to the bottom of that.
Yeah, when it comes to that corner, I heard your brakes slam on.
Yeah.
Silence. I thought, please say it hasn't come off.
No, yeah, no, it didn't. Okay, so looks like we're heading back to the top. Camera keeps moving. Sorry about that. Okay, so here we go. Top stuff. Okay, that's it then from Hanchurch. We're going to head off down the big road. See if we can do the 40 miles an hour. Here we go. Got my speedo on. Down with the seat, up with the gears, Jordan in front, hope he doesn't come off. Wet road, let's rock. Oh, Jordan's going with foot down. Ooh. Come on, faster, faster! Too windy.
I just kept pedaling and pedaling and pedaling.
Nah, wind in your face.
Oh.
I like the wide corner you took. Woo-hoo-hoo. Nice and wide. Bit of urban flat out now through the trees. Camera. Where's Jord? Come on, camera, stay with me. Right, stay camera, come on. Oh, car in the way. Here we go, turn right. Got to suss manuals. That'll be another video. Okay, we're in the urban section now, coming down to a bit of an underground bit. See the stair, oh, set of stairs, stair ride, then wall ride. Here we go. Stair ride first. Oh, down we go. Wall ride. Up, over. Wall ride. Over the 50. Wall ride. Oh, to the top. Lovely. That's it. Finished the ride. So I think we're all done now. Jordan's up behind me somewhere. Here he comes. Yeah, hope you've enjoyed this. If you do, please like, subscribe, tick the bell. We just got a little bit of a ride now along the A50, heading back home. So I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll do some more Hanchurch, I'm sure, because there's hundreds of miles to do on that yet. So anyway, bye bye.